Good morning. Today I'm going to show the new feature that is DXF import. It is available on version 5.4.03. This is the first release with this functionality. So it is located under Seals, DXF imported. I have here a few examples. I'm going to create, we can also have folders like this one. I'm going to create a new folder. I can rename the folder. Test 2, okay. And of course, since we created this folder, nothing is inside of it. So to open a profile, we first need to draw it. So I have prepared my recommendation software here, that is KiCad. It is free available, and we should draw the profile on the second quadrant. As your machine uses the coordinates, such we will use the coordinate system of the CAD to draw the exact part that we want. As a basic rule, we should start from Z0, that is this line, to the negative space, and we are here drawing in radius. So if I want 100 millimeters inside a part with 100 millimeters inside, I should draw in 50 millimeters. On the lower back here, I can see the coordinate system. So 50 millimeters is about here. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to do something really simple. Okay, something like this. Going up here, I can draw also arcs. We should use lines and arcs, nothing more. So this is something already complex to do. Okay, after this I will save it. I will call it T2, like test number 2, save. And I can go back to the main software, where I will press here, new profile. In here, I will simply open the profile that I've done it, T2, open. And we can already see a preview of the profile that we were drawing. So we have here the basic dimensions, 100 inside, 103 outside, and 2.78. Yeah, pretty small. Okay, after we load the profile, we can go to the machining tab. On the machining tab, this is where the software automatically tries to detect what is outside, what is inside, facing and cutting. Green facing, inside is blue, outside red, and part of dark red. So in this case, the software did a pretty good job, because it clearly recognized correctly what is inside, outside and facing. We can edit, we can hide, and we can edit, for example, the facing. If I want to correct what the software did, I can say that this is facing, this is facing. Can put and remove. This is wrong, so I will leave it as it was. And the same I can do for inside, outside, when the software does not correctly detect what we know as a facing or inside or outside or whatever. So this is how it was. I will simply now press import, and voila, we now have on the this folder this seal that is import number 19, and I can rename it. I will call it T2. So currently I have a profile that was simply imported from a drawing. And now I can use it as anything else. So if I press here, the dimensions are automatic because this is hard-coded regarding the drawing that you made. Then I can go to the materials, can select whatever the material that I have already. Well, this is pretty small, and I can go to the code. So automatically the software is using a part that was totally made from scratch from a drawing. And this is the simulation. The part is really small, so it's not the best thing to show, but it is working. So basically this is all. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you make new seals now with almost no limitations.